Hi, my name is Benjamin, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up update schedules for your Airtame devices. This is a great feature to ensure that all of your Airtame devices stay updated with the newest firmware, ensuring new features and security patches, while at the same time making sure that this update process doesn't happen during critical hours for your Airtame device. So without further ado, let me show you how you actually set this up. As you can see, I have my laptop open and I am in my Airtame Cloud organization. From here, I'm going to select one or more devices I want to affect and add this update schedule to. In my case, I will just select a single device, but as always, you can select more than one device to apply the update schedule to as many Airtame devices as you need. Once you have selected your devices, click on the Edit Settings button, and then in the device settings here, we're going to select Schedules, and then find the Update Schedule and enable the toggle. From here, you have some controls over when you want the updates to take place. Now, these controls will of course depend on your specific use case and when the devices will typically not be in use. So you might want to only select Saturday and Sunday if you know that they are off on the weekend and it makes sense to run the updates during the weekend. Or alternatively, you could, for example, select all of the weekdays, but select a specific time of day and say that they should only update, for example, after 8 o'clock in the evening until midnight. Once you're happy with your selection for the schedule, you simply click Save. And once a device has a pending update, like my device does in this case with the blue badge, we know that this new firmware update will be installed, in this case tonight after 8 o'clock. So this has been a short video on how you set up update schedules for your Airtame devices. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.